Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. So if you've ever tried printing something and your HP printer just won't cooperate, maybe it's not connecting, or print jobs keep getting stuck, or it just won't work no matter what you try. I know it's super frustrating, but don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a few easy step-by-step ways to fix your printer so it works perfectly again. By the end of this, you'll be back to printing like nothing ever went wrong. Method 1. Set printer as default printer. Go ahead and click on the Start menu on your computer. Now, in the search bar, type printer and scanners and open it up. Once you're there, scroll down a bit and you will see Let Windows manage my default printer. Just uncheck that box. Next, scroll back up, find your HP printer in the list. Once you see it, click on it and select Manage. Finally, just click on the Set as Default button. Alright now, if your printer is still acting up, it's sometimes just because the driver is outdated. Don't worry, we can fix that in a few clicks. I'll show you how to update your printer driver step by step. Method 2. Update printer driver via Device Manager. Click on the Start menu again. Type Device Manager and open it. In Device Manager, find the section called Print Queues and expand it. You should see your HP printer listed there. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the pop-up window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Window will do its thing and install any updates if needed. Is the issue still there? Okay, then next up is to clear all those pending jobs so your printer can start fresh. Method 3. Delete all print jobs. Look at the bottom right of your screen. You'll see a little printer icon. Note, if you see it, click on the arrow to show hidden icons. On the window, you'll now see a list of pending print jobs. Right-click on the first print job and select Cancel from the list of actions. A confirmation box will pop up, then click on Cancel again to confirm. Just repeat this for all the pending print jobs. Finally, if nothing else seems to work, we can do a partial reset on the printer. Think of it like giving your printer a little reboot. It fixes a lot of hidden issues. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Method 4. Reset printer. Go to your printer. Tap on the back bottom 4 times. You'll see it light up. On the display, you'll see the support menu. Tap on the support menu. Scroll down and select Resets menu. Then scroll down and select Partial Reset. Now, just wait for the printer to complete the reset. Once the reset is complete, your printer will turn on automatically. If it doesn't, unplug the power cord from the back, then wait up to 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on, and you're done.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.